Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dictation feature on the iPhone keyboard. So first, what you want to do is simply tap on the settings or open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to general right here, then go to keyboard, then scroll down again till you see the enable dictation option. So if it's turned off for you, just simply enable it just by tapping on the switch button right there. And then we go to let's say notes, and let's try to type in. So there will be a mic icon or microphone icon on the bottom left corner, or bottom right corner of your screen, which means that you have successfully enabled the dictation feature. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.